Today's homes are filled with connected devices. Creating a cohesive and seamless experience that ties all your devices together is now more important than ever. SmartThings is the easy way to turn your home into a smart home. Get started with the Samsung SmartThings Hub, the brain of your smart home. It wirelessly connects your devices and makes them work together. Control and manage hundreds of different compatible devices, all through the SmartThings app. Receive alerts from connected devices, automate them to turn on and off, and create scenes like good morning and goodbye. You can even control your home with your voice by connecting SmartThings with voice assistants like Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa. With the SmartThings motion sensor, know when there's unexpected movement in your home and receive alerts in real time right through your phone. Save yourself time and energy by letting your room know when you've entered and left without lifting a finger. And with a magnetic mount, you can place the sensor anywhere and direct it where you want it. The SmartThings multi-purpose sensor lets you know when doors and windows are opened or closed. Set automatic routines when you leave home. And set connected lights to turn on and off as you open doors and cabinets. Turn any ordinary household device into a smart device with a SmartThings outlet. Take control of your lights, electronics, and even small appliances, all from your smartphone. Or even get a little extra help from any compatible voice assistants. Take control of multiple connected devices with the touch of a SmartThings button. Place control of all your favorite scenes, settings, and devices within reach. Accidents don't happen conveniently. But whether you're close by or on the go, the SmartThings water leak sensor will alert you immediately so you can take action. Place the sensor under sinks, by water heaters, or other appliances. SmartThings.
Stay warm and stylish. Lightweight and heated, providing the heat continuously for 6 hours with the click of a button. Pave's multi-zone heating system keeps you warm where you need it the most. Your back, neck, chest, and pockets. Pave is warmer than Goose Down. Instead, it's filled with Welland material to retain heat twice as long. Control your jacket's internal temperature how you want it. Pave Heated Vest is also water resistant and packable, making it the perfect jacket for travel, work, or play. Also, it's 100% machine washable. Take it wherever life takes you.
The Tastro Spice System is an innovative kitchen companion that delivers mouth-watering spice blends at the touch of a button, making it simple and fun to prepare delicious, healthy meals quickly. The Tastro Spice System is essentially an intelligent, automated spice rack. Scroll through the pre-programmed blends until something jumps out at you. Hit dispense and voila! We'll dispense a single spice, like a 1/4 teaspoon of parsley for your dips. But the real value comes from venturing through Tastro's many spice blends. From basil ginger to chimichurri to zesty Italian. When you love a spice blend, simply add it to your favorites. Prepared food shortcuts are replaced by natural herbs and spices. No more need to measure spices or vainly search recipes for last-minute inspiration. And no more spice-covered chaos. The Tastro Spice System comes with the 20 most popular herbs and spices in removable pods, with the ability to swap out pods and add more flavor options personalized to you. It can make steak rubs, chicken marinades, salad dressing, and seasonings for fish, chili, fajita, popcorn, and dips. You name it, it comes with over 50 different pre-programmed spice blends matched up with easy recipes accessible through our app or website, giving you the freedom to decide what to make right when you're cooking, not days in advance. Like Nespresso, spice pods can be conveniently reordered from our online store. RFID technology identifies what herbs and spices are loaded and alerts you when a spice is running low. Bluetooth connectivity provides software updates and new blends, but it also works on its own. The Tastro Spice System will revolutionize the spice category for the benefit of all the time-starved people like us who want to prepare tasty, healthy meals at home with ease.